What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. Today is going to be a completely different video because I will be exposing my $1 million deving strategy all for you guys in this video. I stopped trading meme coins a year ago because I lost so much money from trading, and I started doing the complete opposite, which is deving. Becoming profitable in deving meme coins is way easier than trading because you genuinely have nothing to lose or nothing to put up front compared to trading. That's exactly why I am making this video. I want to show you my exact strategy I use every single day to make a couple $1,000s. Let me show you how. And just to let you guys know, bro, I've made thousands of dollars in Solana just from deving, so I know what I'm talking about. Now here's something I want you to think about for a second. Every meme coin you have ever bought was created by someone. That's a simple fact. You need a dev for every coin created on chain. Okay, we got that down. That person built the coin, he set it up, the liquidity, he found the narrative, everything was made by the dev, okay? And then the traders buy his coins, it pumps the price up, okay? It generates him fees in his wallet, and then the dev dumps on you and all the traders become exit liquidity. That is the truth about this space. You guys need to realize that 95% of all coins are going to happen in this exact scenario. You were never competing with the market, you were funding someone else's strategy, which is the dev. And that's exactly when it clicked for me, okay? I stopped trading. Since then, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars from being a dev, creating these coins, okay? And another thing is that, bro, creating these coins costs nothing, okay? You don't need to have a big portfolio, okay? Just a couple bucks will work. And in this video, I'm showing you the complete method for free. No course, no group, no upsell, just a real strategy on camera alongside a live example in this video to show you how it's done. And by the way, I don't condone any financial advice. The results will vary from coin to coin, okay? So it is not guaranteed. I am just here to show you how it's done. It's all for educational purposes only. Cap. The reason most people who try deving don't see result, it's not because of the strategy, it's actually because it's where they launch their meme coins. Pump.Fun is the default starting point for new devs. It's the reason most of them give up, because they launch a coin and no one buys it and then they give up, okay? The truth is that the platform is oversaturated. Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees and they put a bonding curve between your coins so that you don't reach a mainstream audience. It's just annoying. It's so slow, competitive, and dependent on factors completely outside of your control. That's why I personally launch on another DEX, also known as the Raydium DEX. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know what that is. It's the migrate section on Axum right here. Basically, okay, when a coin gets to Raydium, it reaches thousands of traders potentially, okay? You get a bunch of attention, a bunch of volume, and that's exactly what we are looking for when deving, okay? Now look, to launch a meme coin on Raydium, do not use Pump.Fun because of the restrictions. Instead, use create-meme.io. It's the best launchpad for Raydium because there's no bonding curve, no migration, no waiting. Your coin reaches serious traders immediately and you keep full control of your liquidity pool. That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, there are multiple approaches when it comes to creating a coin. You could either create one from scratch, right? For example, if you have a good narrative that you want to turn into a meme coin, you can turn it and make it here by inventing a name, symbol, and image, okay? It's really easy and it takes a couple of steps, but in this video we will be using the second method, which is my personal favorite one, and that is the copy trending coins strategy. Basically, all of these coins have a good narrative, and instead of going online and looking for a narrative to turn into a meme coin, we are just going to be copying a coin that is going viral right now on Pump.Fun. All of these coins have a good narrative. They're all getting a bunch of attention, a bunch of traction. For example, they're all proven to attract buyers. So we are going to be copying these coins back to Raydium and utilizing these narratives to convert people into our coin. Let me show you exactly how it works from a live example. Now, first of all, obviously, bro, connect your Phantom wallet and then click on refresh, and then all the new coins are going to to show up. You just gotta copy one. I will copy the Memecoin, right? Click on copy the Raydium. I just chose this narrative randomly. Ignore the block from Phantom, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And then the coin will be copied, okay? You just gotta give it a bit of time for it to load in. Just wait. And then boom. Now if you go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live 12 seconds ago. Everything is working. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we allocate our supply and we'll recreate our Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, it will go to Raydium and then people will be able to buy our coin. And now look, okay, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. This will drop 900 million tokens inside your pool. For the amount of to pair, this is where you will be exchanging some of your Solana for some supply in your coin. Like that, you can make profits while your coin gets more attention, more momentum. That's the whole point of getting supply for yourself. Put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 2 Solana. It's up to you. Okay, 0.3 is what I'm going to do. Click on create pool. Wait for your phantom wallet to show up, and by the way, you're not losing this 0.3. You can get it back at any given time you want. Once you exit, it will come back to you, obviously. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh and then scroll down and bang, the Memecoin is live and your PNL is going to be right there everywhere. And if you want to see how much you're up now, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, we're up 162 bucks. This is actually insane, okay? That means our narrative is good and is gaining a bunch of attention right now. Click on view on Photon, right? Go on Axum, go on Terminal, go wherever you want to see the chart, okay? It could be anything, and then just wait. And yeah, bro, now go on full screen, okay? I had to refresh the page because it was lagged. And as you guys can see, we're at the 1.8k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. Things are looking good, okay? We're getting a bunch of attention. So many people are buying in, bro. This is the power of the Raydium DEX. It's absolutely insane, dude. Bro, guys, remember, we spent nothing on creating this coin, and now look, a bunch of random people on chain are buying in. This is the power of create meme.io with Raydium, bro. I'm telling you guys, it's actually insane, bro. Like, dude, every single buy, bro, is fucking money in our pocket. That is insane. Oh, it's dumping a bit, but it's not a big deal. I'ma leave this coin run for a bit. When I come back, bro, I will show you how to cash out, and then, you know, we will see how much we make. Guys, I am back and we're at a 2.1k liquidity, 6k market cap. This is insane. Now let's cash out our profits from deving. Come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And bing, we're up 2.3k on our PNL counter, which is absolutely insane, bro, for some people. Click on the minus button, do 100%, okay? That is important. Then do remove liquidity. Your phantom wallet will show up. My bad. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a meme coin, bro. We made a quick 2.2k, and look at my phantom wallet, bro. I'm not capping, it's there, bro. 2.2 bands. And then yes, it is a repeatable method. You can launch multiple at the same time or one at a time. It's up to you, bro. Try it out, stay consistent. Create meme.io will be linked down below or in the description. It's all for educational purposes only, by the way. And yeah, peace out.